To connect Wix to your Facebook shop, follow these steps. Set up a Facebook shop. Ensure you have a Facebook business page and a Facebook Commerce Manager account. You will also need to have admin rights to both. Go to Facebook Business Manager and set up your Facebook shop by following Facebook's guidelines for product listings. Install the Wix Facebook integration. Log into your Wix account and go to the Wix dashboard for your website. In the Marketing and SEO section, click on Facebook and Instagram. Select Facebook Shop to start the integration process. Connect your Facebook account. You'll be prompted to connect your Facebook account to Wix. Click on Connect and sign in with your Facebook business credentials. Authorize Wix to manage your Facebook shop by granting the necessary permissions. Sync your Wix products with Facebook Shop. After connecting, choose the products you want to sync from your Wix store to your Facebook shop. Wix will automatically sync your products, including product details, images, and prices. Complete the setup. Review your Facebook shop settings and ensure everything is set up correctly. Your products should now appear on your Facebook shop, allowing you to sell directly on Facebook.